Hello, good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, student. Board is visible? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will start the
Not,
part what I told in the previous class, that cell division process. Is that clear? Am I audible to you? Tell me.
ma'am, blackboard is not visible. It is blurred.
Just see. I think it must be visible to you all. It's very clear. Now write the topic cell division process. Is that clear? And am I audible to you? Tell me. Am I audible to you? Unmute yourself and answer. Yes or no? Suppose this is the cell and inside nucleus, this is the nucleus suppose, and this is nucleolus. ठीक है? This is all the double cell membrane. Is that clear? It is nucleopore, nucleolus, and this is nuclear membrane. Is that clear to you? Now, outside this structure, this is centrosome. Listening me or not? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
When I ask any query, any question to you, unmute yourself and answer immediately. This is centrosome, and what is the function of this small structure? Tell me. What I told earlier, what is the main function? And basically this centrosome, it is having two small bodies. Is that clear? And this body known as centriole. ठीक है? And this centrosome, it is inactive. When it becomes active, what I told in the previous class, when cell is ready to divide. ठीक है? एकदम डम के जैसा बैठे रहते हो, आंसर किया करो. What I am asking? This is centrosome. It is present just outside the nuclear membrane. And this centrosome is inactive all the way unless until the cell is not ready to divide. जैसे ही cell ready to divide, this centrosome becomes active. How it becomes active? क्या होता है यहाँ, क्या changes आते हैं? तो this centrosome having
मैम आप म्यूट हैं.
Am I audible? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
this centrosome, it becomes active. If the question for MCQ is there, when it becomes active, what you will answer? That when the cell is ready to divide.
Right.
ठीक है? And these two centriole body, they are active during cell division process because they have immediately came out from the centrosome. And what happens actually, see here, concentrate here. One remain fixed at the north pole, ठीक है? And again it has the spindle fiber, but before division it is all retracted, ठीक है? As the cell ready to divide, these two centriole body, one remain fixed at the north pole and with the spindle fiber formation, ठीक है? Other goes to the south pole. Is that clear? And this is spindle fiber. लिख लेना, स्पिंडल फाइबर, और इसको दूसरे नेम से जानते हैं एस्ट्रल रेज. इज दैट क्लियर? दिस इज एस्ट्रल रेज. So what happens actually? One centriole you are getting the view. It is fixed in the north pole. Spindle fiber radiates out. ठीक है? And with this radiation of this spindle fiber in both the sides, this another centriole you are seeing here, it moves. It moves and comes to the next pole, that is south pole. Is that clear? And what happens? What is the, if I ask, what is the purpose of this formation of spindle fiber? Why they are formed? So they are formed to bind. क्रोमोसोम का स्ट्रक्चर याद है? They are in shape of this structure, or they are binding the chromosome from both sides, this side and this side, ठीक है? And both try to pull the chromosome towards the respective pole. One like to pull to the north pole, other like to pull to the south pole. Am I clear? Then what happens? Just see. Suppose this is the structure of chromosome, ठीक है? This is centromere and this is chromatid. लिख लेना. It is chromatids. This is centromere. Is that clear? And when this pressure exerted from this end and it is exerted from this end, so when the two forces equal and opposite, pulling them towards their own pole, what will happen? This chromosome will divide exactly from the equator. इक्वेटोरियल पॉइंट से क्लियरली ये डिवाइड करेगा, ब्रेक करेगा, ठीक है। सो आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग what will be the structure, just mind it. This will be the structure of chromosome. ये जो एक आर्म था it has become two with the division of chromatid. This has divided in this shape. So two parts of the chromatid, here also the two parts. Am I clear? Just see here. This will like to pull in this pole, this will like to pull in this pole. Then this type of breaking from the equatorial plane will be taking place. ठीक है? And this structure, just you are seeing here, after the breaking, exactly from the equatorial plane, this will be the structure. ठीक है। नाउ ये क्या हो गया, बाईवेलेंट, टू आर्म, वन आर्म डिवाइडेड इन टू, सो इट हैज बिकम बाईवेलेंट, ठीक है। सो जस्ट सी व्हाट चेंजेस टेकिंग प्लेस हियर। नाउ द क्रोमोसोम स्ट्रक्चर विल बी लाइक दिस, हियर ऑल्सो this will be the structure.
यस मैम, और जब आ रही थी तो भी रुक रुक के आ रही थी।
हाँ बेटा, नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है, ठीक है, थोड़ा नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है, डोंट गेट एक्साइटेड, ठीक है, इट विल बी कनेक्टेड ऑटोमेटिकली. So what happens, what will be the structure of chromosome? By dividing, how divides? With the equal and opposite force exerted from two ends. This will like to pull towards north, this will like to pull towards south. So this will be the division. Is that clear? Now this structure becomes bivalent. Is that clear? अब देखो ये structure जो
Ma'am.
है, हाँ,
आवाज
tell me.
मैम, बोर्ड भी क्लियर नहीं है और आवाज भी नहीं मैम।
What can I do, beta? It's just the network problem. Otherwise,
मैम ये वाला एक बार और बता दीजिए ना।
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. Why not? And listen, if again you will be having problem to listen me clearly, then don't worry. Tomorrow again I have the class, ठीक है? And there will be no as such network problem, ठीक है? And again I will repeat the same.
ओके मैम।
Okay.
थैंक यू मैम।
Just see here, beta. I have told that this is the structure of chromosome. Two arms. ठीक है? And first of all, just see the types of chromosome. Then I am coming on that point. ठीक है? First, this will be the structure. And second, this will. And this way, ठीक है? ये 4 टाइप्स का देखो, ठीक है? This will be the structure of chromosome in their different types in different organism, ठीक है? And one you may write that longest chromosome, it is present, इसको क्या कहा जाता है? That is the longest, लिख लो, lamb brush. May be a question for MCQ, further also, not for the class and annual exam. So for your kind information, if you wish, you can note it down. Lamb brush type. This is the longest type of chromosome present in insect, especially, and even in not in insect, some other Drosophila and other type of insect. ठीक है? तो these are the types. यहाँ देख रहे हो, one arm is short, one is long. Here both are the equal. And here this is centromere and it is arranged vertically. ठीक है? One arm is very short in comparison to the next one, and third one, this is the centromere, and here you are seeing the one arm is missing, other is long. ठीक है? तो इसको कहते हैं submetacentric. Submetacentric. Is that clear? And this is metacentric. If you want, you can write, otherwise, if not clear anything, again I will repeat, don't worry for that. And this is telo. This is telocentric. And this is acentric. ठीक है? So these are the types of chromosome. One arm is short, one is long. Both are equal size, and this is one arm is short, one long, but arrangement is vertical. Here also the arrangement is vertical, but one arm is missing, other is long. So this type of structure. Now after time you come again on the same point. We are coming back. ये centromere है, दो arms को, that is chromatids. So what happens? Equal and opposite force exerted from two ends means it will like to take chromosome towards north pole, it will like to take chromosome to the south pole. ठीक है? And due to this effort, it divides exactly from equatorial plane. जैसे for example, you can practice in your home also. एक string ले लो, दो पर्ल उसमें डाल दो, ठीक है? And you pull towards two end. You will see that pearl has been arranged exactly on the equatorial plane. Just like that, it is like to go to the south, north pole, and this will like to pull to the south. ठीक है? तो अब देखो, this is the thing happening in the division. Is that clear? So what happened? Due to this equal and opposite force, it is dividing exactly from the equatorial plane. तो क्या होगा? यहाँ पे one very remarkable difference. Here centromere, that is the binding structure, it will get divided also along with the chromatid. Is that clear? So this will be the structure. ठीक है? Centromere gets divided mitosis में, but in meiosis there is no division of centromere. It's very remarkable, mind it. अब देखो ये स्ट्रक्चर क्या है? यहाँ पे ऐसे आ गया, this type of bivalent structure, ठीक है? और यहाँ देख रहे हो still the astral rays or spindle fiber is present and exerting from both end also. Is that clear? Now in the second phase you like, just see what will happen. This is the centriole fixed in the north pole, this is the south pole, then still pressure is exerted, so the arms get overlapped. अब देखो, still spindle fiber is there and due to this, जैसे देखो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सपोज ये दोनों हैंड का फिंगर ऐसे टाइटली पैक्ड है. इफ यू exerting pressure from both hand, what will happen? They get in first hand, pressure will be there certainly, in first hand they will be overlapped. ठीक है, फिर धीरे धीरे फिर प्रेशर exert करोगे, then it will be separated. Just like that, कि first exertion में this will be the structure of chromosome. Still spindle fiber is there, और spindle fiber का काम दो ही है, to bind with the chromosome. Second, try to pull the departed part of the chromosome Is that clear? So still pressure is exerted from both end. So this will be the shape of the chromosome. Arms overlapped. ठीक है? Now इस स्टेज को कहते हैं मेटाफेज. This is मेटाफेज. और ये क्या था अर्लियर में? प्रोफेज. प्रो मीन्स अर्लियर. These are the steps of mitosis. ठीक है? Now just see here in this diagram only. Still the pressure is exerted from both ends. Then in
मैम आप म्यूट हैं.
बेटा एक मिनट. Now I think the problem is solved. So happens actually? Here you are seeing still the spindle fiber is present here, and due to its presence, जब तक ये present रहेगा, it will keep on exerting pressure. Now, after metaphase, what happened? The chromosome has reached to the two respective pole. Chromosome has reached to the two respective pole. ठीक है, जैसे ही ये क्रोमोसोम आ गया दोनों एंड पे, वैसे ही यहाँ देख रहे हो स्पिंडल फाइबर गेट्स रिट्रैक्टेड अगेन इन सेंट्रियो. ठीक है, सो बोथ साइड द क्रोमोसोम हैज कम, it has reached to the two respective pole and spindle fiber is off. Now there will be no concept of centrio. ठीक है, this will be the phase of anaphase. This is anaphase. Is that clear? And you are seeing the structure of chromosome. They have come to the two ends and listen, this is the anaphase. Structure of chromosome you are seeing here, they have reached to the two respective pole. Now the next step, just see, as soon as the chromosome has reached here two respective pole, there is no concept of centriole body itself. Then this nuclear division is now completed. ठीक है, nuclear division is completed. I have told number of times, multiplication or division, cleavage is what? First karyokinesis followed by cytokinesis. Karyokinesis, division of nucleus. So this is the completion of division of nucleus. When the chromosome has departed to the two respective pole, it is completion of karyokinesis. Then what is left? Cytokinesis. So how it can happen? In animal cell, mind it, in animal cell cytokinesis taking place by लिखना by furrow, FURROW, furrow formation. ठीक है, in plant cell, by plant cell में you write it down, cell plate. ठीक है, तो this is animal cell, so it will happens through furrow formation. Furrow means invagination of the, चूंकि cell membrane, nuclear membrane है, flexible in nature, and this is cell membrane, so they gets invaginated, infolded from both the end, and gradually this infolding will be depends down. यहाँ देख रहे हो, ultimately one time will come, they are meeting at the middle. तो ये क्या शो कर रहा है? Complete division of this one and this one, 1 and 2. Or one thing you mind, as this cell starts to divide, जैसे हमने बताया कि जो फर्स्ट स्टेज है प्रोफेज, 2 changes happens. लिख भी लेना कहीं. What are that changes? First, nuclear membrane starts disappearing. Nuclear membrane starts disappearing. Second, nucleolus. Nucleolus also starts disappearing. This is very significant point during the start of prophase. जैसे ही प्रोफेज स्टार्ट होगा, ये 2 changes, it will be quite visible that nuclear membrane starts disappearing as well as nucleolus starts disappearing. अब देखो ये जो हमने बनाया ना कि cytokinesis means both ends get invaginated and lastly it divides into 2. So due to invagination of the 2 side, invagination, infolding, whatever you say, ठीक है? तो जैसे ही ये टेलोफेज स्टार्ट होता है, ये 2 जो स्टार्टेड डिसअपियरिंग और लेट प्रोफेज में कंप्लीटली डिसअपियर, ठीक है? लेट फेज में दे कंप्लीटली डिसअपियर और अगेन in telophase means the furrow has been formed. So again in telophase they reappear. Is that clear? They reappear in telophase. So this tells what? That cell division started with these 2 events. Nuclear membrane starts disappearing and nucleolus starts disappearing. Late prophase में both the structure completely disappear. ठीक है? And when it will reappear in telophase. Telophase state क्या होगा? Furrow starts forming. Furrow means invagination of the site wall or infolding of the cell membrane. Cell membrane, you all have read, they are flexible in nature. So when the cell has to divide, when the cytoplasm gets divided, starts dividing, this is through furrow formation. Means infolding, invagination of the cell membrane, and gradually they gets deepen, and one time when both meet in the middle and divides the cell in 2 parts. So you have seen that how the one cell divides in 2 daughter cell. ठीक है? Is it all mitosis? I have told earlier, no, cell division is of 3 types. First, that is amitosis. Second, that is mitosis. And third, that is meiosis. If the question is asked that define the cell division, how you will define? What you have observed in all these cyclic events and why the cell gets divided, क्या reason है? Because it has to increase the number of cells for proper growth and development. ठीक है? And it happens right from the formation of zygote, that is fertilized egg. जैसे ही zygote का formation होता है, this cleavage is what? Mitosis. Mitosis always happens in soma cell. We have two type of cells. First, soma cell or somatic cell, and second, that is germ cell, blastogenic cell, that is concerned with the reproductive cell. So this two type is there. Meiosis is quite long process, especially meiosis 1, it is the quite long process. और meiosis 1 में ही ये स्टेज आता है, उसमें भी, और mitosis nomenclature is the same. You will be getting every same term in mitosis as well as meiosis 1 and meiosis 2 also. Is that clear? So this is the thing, how one cell becomes two, and it goes on progressive mode. Otherwise, if the cell doesn't get divided, what will happen? No growth, no development will be taking place. So it's very important for a cell to get divided. ठीक है? 1 becomes 2, 2 to 4, like that. This type of division or increase in number of cells taking place, and this process हमने कहा ना कि when ये जो centrosome है, it is all inactive all the way, but remains active when the cell is ready to divide. So when the cell is ready to divide, तो कहाँ से हम देख रहे हैं, ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं, that is the zygote. As soon as the zygote is formed, cell gets divided. ठीक है? Zygote is what? That is two-celled stage. It is two-celled. That is two-celled stage. Am I clear? And this two-celled stage means one. Why two-celled stage? One representing sperm, second ovum. When nuclei of the sperm and ovum gets fused, it forming zygote or fertilized egg. Is that clear? So जैसे ही ये zygote is formed, then what happens? Then immediately cleavage starts. When I say cleavage means what? What I mean to say? Cleavage means mitosis. And where it is happening? In soma cell, somatic cell. That is only responsible for growth and development. Body growth, not the reproductive cell, for body growth. And meiosis taking place in reproductive cell, not in the body cell. Is that clear? So this is the thing happening. In nutshell, I am telling cell division is what? It is nothing, only the behavioral attitude of chromosome in its complete cyclic way. Is that clear? Behavioral attitude. So the time is all over. We are meeting the class next day, tomorrow at the same time. Till then, bye.